Hello everyone, today we come to the stainless steel pipe factory. These are the raw materials we use to produce stainless steel pipes, steel coil. We can see that these coils have different widths. This workshop uses steel coils with a width of 109 mm and 600 mm. These steel coils are divided into cold rolled steel and hot rolled steel. Hot rolled steel strips are usually used in areas that do not require high surface quality. They require high toughness and ductility. For example, automobile manufacturing, shipbuilding, bridge construction, and pressure vessels, etc. Cold-rolled steel strips are widely used in areas requiring high precision and surface quality. For example, home appliances, electronic products, furniture, auto parts, etc. In summary, hot-rolled steel and cold-rolled steel each have their own advantages, disadvantages, and applicable scope. We will decide which steel plate to use to produce steel pipes. Based on customer needs and application scenarios, please contact us by email, calling, WeChat, or WhatsApp. If you have any question about steel pipe, we will be happy with your question.